everybody. Welcome back to the Sunflower Sisters. Today our topic is about what all are stars. Let's get right into it and figure out what are stars. First, we have to know what are stars. And stars are big balls. They are so big. I can put Earth right here. There, that is Earth. Stars are so big and they are with very hot, glowing gas. And stars can make their own energy and light. First, I'm going to tell you what this star is. This star is our star, the sun, which we see every day. When lighter elements are forced to become something heavier, because how do they make light and energy without having them? So what they do is they turn hydrogen into helium. And when this happens, there will be lots of energy and light created for this star to shine. And stars come in multiple sizes. Let's look at some of them. Can you spot our sun on this map? You might think the big ones are our sun. You might be like, no, this one's our sun. That is wrong. This small dot in the air is our sun. And you can't imagine how small Earth is. That is our sun. And there are very huge stars bigger than our sun. For example, Betelgeuse, Antares, and UY Scuti. Moving on to the next slide. And the big stars are mostly blue. And their colors tell the temperature as well. See, these are the blue stars they are talking about. These are very big stars. And stars are made from very hot gas. And it is mostly hydrogen and helium, as I explained. And the stars shine by turning hydrogen into helium, and in their cores, and later on they live their lives and they create heavier elements, for example, iron. Moving on. Once a star runs out of fuel, this fuel the stars have inside them means helium and hydrogen, and it throws them. It throws all of them out. And this is how the stars get out their waste. And then it ejects most of its material back into space. And then now new stars are created from this material that they threw out. Moving on. And we can easily see stars in the sky when there is fewer or no light. And that's why astronomers hate light pollution, because it makes it hard to see all of these stars. And we see 2,000 stars in the sky. And the moon reduces the amount of stars we see. Letting you know, first we have to know the nearest star. So, the closest star, the nearest star to Earth is this. This one, guess the name. This is the sun. And the star feels very, very big because it is so near to the planet. You can test it out. Take a book, put it near you. You feel it's very big. Put it farther. It feels smaller, right? Yes, that's the exact same thing with the sun and Earth. And stars that are smaller than our sun are the red stars. These the red stars. This is the nearest red star to Earth, second to nearest star to Earth. This is Proxima Centauri. And the red stars are impossible. It's not possible to see these red stars with a naked eye. Astronomers want to travel farther so that they can find more stars and so that space can be more interesting. But it's very hard because stars are very far away, even Proxima Centauri. And this over here is Proxima Centauri to see. Even Proxima Centauri is hard to reach. It takes 4 years. It takes 4 years to reach Proxima Centauri. Wow. And maybe in the future we will have extremely fast rockets which can take us extremely far into space. This is the end of today's episode. Hope you guys had an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!